We enter the SC Magazine Awards because really SC Magazine is a center of the market publication. And in an industry that's fragmented and where there's a lot of confusion about where the products are going, how they're coalescing, it serves to provide an anchor for readers, for editors, really for us and our peers to establish our presence in the marketplace. For Tripwire, winning an SC Magazine Award means a lot of things. We've got a 14-year history in this industry, but we're changing, and we're changing where our products serve and what categories of customers that we serve. And the SC Magazine Awards give us an indicator that we can also show the market. We're going from being a file integrity monitoring company that does host intrusion detection to really a company that can be dominant in the policy management space. It's a very good indicator to the rest of the market of where we're going, what our intentions are, and what progress we're making in that. Since winning our SC Magazine Awards, we've been able to express our message in the marketplace with a tremendous amount of validation. This is not just us saying that we're best of breed for our solutions in enterprise security or best of breed for policy management. It's validation from really a thought leader in the market of where we are, our position in the marketplace, and the value of our solutions to our customers.